so good to see you all. I am on the East Coast. You know, I'm on the East Coast. I'm gonna put this back. Should I do it like this? I feel like it looks weird. I'm on the East Coast. Let me know where you guys are coming from. But I'm about to start doing my makeup. I will not be on here long. But let's chat, guys. Let me know where you guys are coming from. This is MAC Concealer. 24-hour Studio Fix. And I like to use this as my color corrector because it's very, very warm. And I don't have to use like a red color corrector when I'm using this. Since it's like overly warm, it has those red tones to cancel out my dark eye circles. You know what, guys? I literally just used my water flosser. What's it called? Water pick. I don't know if you guys have ever used these. Tell me if you've ever used this before. It just like shoots water. Water flosser, water pick, whatever it's called. And it's the bomb.com. Literally, I wish I started doing it earlier. You know, I ate some popcorn today. And comment, guys, let's vibe. What do you guys want to talk about? Let me know where you're coming from. But I ate some popcorn today, and I literally always get popcorn stuck in my teeth. It's so bad. And I don't know if any of you guys have had your wisdom teeth removed, but I've had 2 wisdom teeth removed on the top. And ever since then, it's just like a large indentation in there. And I always get food stuck in there. And every time I brush my teeth, I just have to make a conscious effort to bring my water in or my, what is it called? Listerine mouthwash. And literally make sure I swish back there to get all the food out of the hole that was left from my wisdom teeth. So annoying. But literally this water flosser, water pick, whatever it's called, I had so much popcorn stuck like in my teeth, like it'll get like under my gums. And this water pick, water flosser literally took it all out with ease. Oh my goodness. It got all the food out of my wisdom tooth holes. Like, tell me, have any of you guys gotten your wisdom teeth removed, and do you like literally have that issue where you have like a hole there that you always get food stuck in? And I'm like, you know what? Every time I eat, I just need to make sure I never get food stuck in there, because it can just be bad news walking around all day with your breakfast stuck in your wisdom tooth holes. Wisdom tooth indentation hole gap, whatever it's called. LOL. But if you're just joining me, my name is Vanessa. Welcome to Everything Vanessa. I'm doing a get ready with me. I am a YouTuber. I'm about to record a, what do you call it? Hair video. I feel like I don't see any comments. I'm about to record a hair video, and so I thought I'd come on live and we can have some fun. I know it's like an awkward time. I usually try not to get on live this late because I feel like, you know, I feel like everyone's about to sleep. Here it is 7 o'clock p.m. I'm in Eastern time zone in the United States. And so, yeah, today I'm not going to do too much with my makeup. Oh, y'all, when I tell you I was not feeling it, I was not going to record today. But I'm like, let me get up. I haven't posted on YouTube. Prior to today, I didn't post on YouTube for like 6 days, which is the longest I've gone without posting in a little bit. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just get my butt up. Let me get up. One thing I learned this year, or in the past 365 days, is that you need to have discipline. Because discipline is there when motivation runs out. You will not have motivation every single day of your life. But on those days and on those times where you don't have motivation, discipline must remain. Discipline is there to stand with you when motivation